Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Orange County in southeastern New York until 5:30 p.m. At 4:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Otisville, or 7 miles west of Middletown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Newburgh, Middletown, Warwick, Goshen, Howells, New Windsor, Chester, Montgomery, Florida, Cudbatsville, Otisville, Huguenot, Scotchtown, Dearborn, and Mackinac-Town. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. You are listening to NOAA's All Hazards.